Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith. I am a mindset and manifestation coach, and I am here to help you step into your desired reality and consciously create your desired reality. All right, let's get right to it. This video is all about embodying the version of you that already has everything you desire. Instead of waiting to shift or waiting to see changes in your life, instead of waiting to feel X, Y, and Z when you receive your desire or your manifestation. For example, sometimes we think and we feel as if we will fulfill something when we manifest something into our life. For example, when we manifest a loving relationship into our life, we think we will be fulfilled by feeling a certain way from that partner. For example, feeling loved, feeling chosen, feeling desired when you get that relationship. It is actually the total opposite when manifesting. Everything is created here first internally. You need to fulfill what you desire to receive from that relationship within yourself. Feeling loved, feeling chosen, feeling worthy of receiving love, feeling deserving of receiving love, loving yourself, giving it to yourself. Everything is here, internal first, before it is mirrored back to you. It's a reflection of what is happening internally. So when we're waiting for it to show up to feel X, Y, and Z, that's when we actually block ourselves from our manifestations, because we actually do not feel it within. We are not creating it within, and we will be waiting to feel X, Y, and Z. We have to feel it here first before it is mirrored back to us or reflected back to us in our relationship. Or we'll manifest a relationship into our life, but we will be constantly triggered into feeling not good enough, and negative circumstances are going to happen in that relationship because our perspective is we are not chosen, we are not worthy, we are not deserving, we are not loved. And then that's going to be mirrored back to us, and the relationship isn't going to feel so great. And the relationship is going to have negative circumstances there because we are not fulfilled within. So the key here is embodying the version of yourself that has what you desire. If you were in a loving relationship, how would you feel inside? What would you be telling yourself? What would be your dominant beliefs about yourself? Create that here. How would you be showing up? Create that. What version of yourself would you be? You would be relaxed and feel good and feel good inside because you have that loving relationship already. And you feel loved, and you feel desired, and you feel chosen, and you feel worthy, and you feel deserving. That is important to build that within yourself. Give it to yourself by repeating those affirmations within your mind, having positive assumptions and thoughts around relationships, that relationships are easy and you feel good in relationships and it is always working out for you, and you are always loved, you are always chosen, you are deserving and worthy of being loved and chosen. You're creating that within yourself. And you are choosing yourself, and you are loving yourself, and you are feeling worthy within yourself by prioritizing yourself and giving yourself what you need rather than searching from the outside of you to fulfill it here. You have to give it to yourself. Everything is internal. Everything is an inside job. Being gentle with yourself and loving yourself unconditionally every day is going to fulfill that. Giving yourself unconditional love will be mirrored back to you by your loving relationships, your romantic relationships. You will be unconditionally loved. So you have to do that here first before it is mirrored back to you. So this is really the example of embodying the version of you that already has your desire. So this was the one example of being in a loving relationship. So also creating the assumptions in present tense as if it is currently happening. It's going to put you in the place of living from the end, that it is already yours and it is already done, and there is no doubt in your mind that it is now. And it will, even if it is not showing up in your 3D or your current reality, it will shift. Your reality will catch up, but you have to live as if it is happening and not let circumstances or doubts or anything else take dominance. You dominate by creating the belief, creating the assumption, the thoughts that align with that version of yourself that has your desire. For example, if you are desiring that loving relationship, create it here by using these affirmations. I am in a committed, loving, happy, loyal, trusting relationship. Saying that to yourself, saying it in a mirror, writing it down in a journal, and repeating it on repetition over and over again, so that way your assumption becomes dominant, your beliefs become dominant, and your beliefs around love in general, that you are worthy and deserving of being loved. You are worthy and deserving of receiving love. Relationships are easy, and there is someone out there that is going to love you and love you unconditionally. You have to create that within yourself. Remember, embody the version of yourself that has what you desire. Be it. Do not wait for it to shift when you receive your manifestation. Make the shift. Act as if, and then your 3D reality will catch up. I promise. For example, if you're wanting to create more abundance in your life, you create feeling abundant. How would the version of you that feels abundant be showing up? Knowing that money is an energy and it's always flowing. There is an abundance of money out there. Money always flows to me effortlessly and easily. Creating that, not doing the things that are going to create doubt or create anxiety within yourself. Distancing yourself from those things. For example, fixating on certain bills that you haven't paid off yet. Create the energy of abundance within yourself. Act as if, feeling good within, and it will shift. Remember, the version of you that has what you desire. Show up as that version every day, and everything will align. Thanks for stopping by this video. Have a beautiful day. Like, subscribe, hit the bell button so you get all the notifications when my next video is coming out, and hope to see you over at the next video.